Here's how to fix your mic if it's not working on Roblox Mobile. Now, if you're in the Roblox app on your iPhone or Android, and the microphone's not working to be able to chat with people, the first thing we need to do is hop out of the app and check something in your settings. So let's first just open up the settings, and from here, let's scroll down to the bottom and tap on apps. From here, we're just going to find Roblox on this list. We need to make sure that we've given Roblox access to your microphone. So tap on Roblox here, and there you can see is microphone. Make sure to give access to the app so that it can use your microphone. If that's off, just toggle it on. However, that doesn't necessarily mean it's turned on in the app itself. So let's hop out of here and open up Roblox, the app. From here, tap on the More button at the very bottom right, and then we'll just scroll down until we get to Settings and tap on that. We're going to choose the third option, Privacy and Content Restrictions. And from here, you'll be able to see the third option again, Communication. Tap on that. Now on here, you can see a bunch of different options. Let's first just go to Voice Data Usage. I would recommend turning this feature on. And then let's go back out of here. And for Party, make sure these are turned on. And then Experience Chat, again, make sure those are turned on. Now we have everything turned on, but keep in mind to voice chat, you now need to do it in the game itself, not in the settings. So let's hop out of here. And then just for instance, open up a game like Steal a Brain Rot and hit play. Now let's turn this over so that you'll be able to see a bit better once it loads. Once this game loads and you're starting to play a game, you'll be able to start that microphone and start voice chatting by getting into the settings of the game. So tap on the Roblox icon at the top left, and then tap on Settings here to the right of it. You can see voice chat here. So if that is set to disconnected, all you need to do is tap on again to hit connected. Now keep in mind, you will also see a microphone icon at the top here. You can tap on that to make sure the mic recording is on. You can see if it's green, then it's on. If it has that little red line through it, then it is turned off.